Okay, booster, I see 3 green ones. We got 3 ready?
Yes, sir. Good tank pressure and 3 engines ready.
Okay. Remain set to go. Okay, coming up on handing over to the redundant set sequence. ECOM, you still okay?
You bet.
Eagle? Eagle, you doing okay?
Looking good, flight.
GNC?
Looks good, flight, Rob. We're go.
Booster.
Go.
Okay, right through 31, we're going. Looks good.
Good HPUs, flight. SRB fluid check.
Pretty good HPUs, SRBs is fluid.
Vent doors.
Roger, Vince.
Okay, you're starting for your lift off.
Roger,
Looking good.
Roger, Columbia on a roll. Stay good roll, flight.
Roger, on the roll. Data's a little noisy here, Inco. We ought to stay on Milo, though. Okay, final looks like we're moving down range. Good shape. Status final.
Go.
Booster.
Go.
GNC.
Go.
Eagle.
Go.
ECOM. We're going. Going 40, Capcom.
Columbia, Houston, you're going 40.
Roger, going 40. And master long path. See ya.
And now we're here. We are in San Francisco, Pier 39, about to fly a drone with my cousin Viviana and Sam. We're not really sure we can fly this drone here, but we think we can. We did some research. We are in a safe spot, so let's see. Happens, whatever happens, happens.
Gotta record the whole process, good and the bad.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes. Do you feel the same? Only thing that matters without you.
You did it! So that drone flight wasn't as flawless as we expected, but you know, it was the first time we fly that drone in a while, so we had to dust it up somehow. Now we're gonna get some chocolate, sundae shake or something. I'm not sure yet, but I know it's chocolate. Right. Yeah, at some point it gets less awkward, and then it gets like more interesting.
We're not there yet.
No. But hey, at least we can get to be awkward together. Yeah. Okay. Check out that golden hour. Making my eyes look all pretty. She was already pretty, so.
Oh my god.
Aww. Sam.
Stop it.
Looking like a stud right there.
chilling.
Well, no more golden hour. We're back to ugly.
And the only one.
Yeah. So we're probably just gonna do something, chill, go home or something. So I'm gonna stop recording now because I feel awkward here. Yeah. No, this was totally awesome. I'm happy about it. Yeah, we still gotta ride scooter, so we're gonna do that. Got it.